This is my current build. I have 16 gigabytes of DDR3 running in dual channel. I want to get 2 more DIMMs to run in triple channel. Intel i7-950. GeForce 4GB GeForce GTX 760 EVGA. Mostly reference design, as you can tell by the Hynix RAM. OCZ Fatality 750 watt power supply, which puts out this. If it focuses. Strange angle, sorry for shakes. A 3 terabyte drive. A Seagate Barracuda 7212. And a Western Digital Caviar, can't remember, this one was given to me, a 1 terabyte drive. Right here, there are 320mm blue LED fans, obviously. They are 120s. Very bright. Up here, you can see my H100i. And the front panel for my Sound Blaster Recon 3D sound card, right here. Right here is a 140mm Noctua Redux fan, PWM, as you can tell by the 4 wires. The back here, kind of messy, but I've got my keyboard plugged in, both keyboards. Now you may be wondering what this is for, and I will show you. As janky as this looks, my Northbridge likes to get pretty toasty, as evidenced by this. So I got this old Dell CPU fan, and I put a USB cable on it. Now that's not all I did. I also have this, a little adapter I made. This is running on 12 volts. It's pumping 12 volts through this port. So if you want to destroy any electronics, plug it in. But I can switch between 5 volts and 12 volts, and I didn't have to bother with soldering switches or anything, so this works pretty good. If you can see, if I can plug this in. Not too noisy. I can feel a lot of heat coming off this Northbridge. It would do better if I set it here, but I don't want to put it on top of my RAM. And it also cools my RAM chips on my GPU ever so slightly. I don't really overclock my GPU, but it does help knowing that it's a little bit cooler on top too. But I can switch between 12 and 5 volts just by plugging this. Don't mind the wire mess. HDMI for my second display that I'm not using. DisplayPort for the main one. And to both sound systems I have optical or Toslink. Old microphone just used for some videos. And sorry about the air noise, but this moves a lot of air. DisplayPort cable for my Asus VG248QE. Sorry, Asus. This is my Ethernet cable I made. Yeah, it's kind of janky, but whatever. It's the first cable I ever made. And it kind of ripped, but whatever. It's still twisted, so it doesn't really matter. A phone charger cable that is plugged into a USB hub that powers my headset. 32 gigabyte USB 3.0 drive, because why not? External hard drive. Here, webcam. Can't remember what this one's for. That is for my controller. For whenever I play some terrible console ports. And that is my build. I will show you keyboard, mouse, and keyboard now. Secondary keyboard is my Logitech G510. Don't mind all the junk on my desk. But I also have a color script mod, so check this out. Hold shift and hit the M buttons, and it will change colors. Hold shift and shift, and I can speed it up. Now I have a disco keyboard. That's not disorienting at all. So it'll focus. Focus. Come on, it's not that hard to focus. Here, focus on this. Looks pretty cool. And then I also have a CM Storm Quickfire XT mechanical keyboard with the Cherry MX Blue switches. Very satisfying to type on. And last but not least, my Razer Naga Epic 2012. You can tell it's kind of old. This is my favorite mouse I've ever had. I'm never getting a different mouse unless it's the Naga 2014 with the mechanical side switches. But I absolutely love this mouse. It's a very great mouse, especially with the high refresh rate display, because there's a 1000 hertz polling option. But yeah, that's my build. Also, temps under full load, and I will show off my fan profiles. Sorry, I can't speak. I'm i7 950 at 3.8 gigahertz, about as high as I can go with hybrid threading on. So, wait for the fans to spin up some. Mind you, the side of my case is off right now, so it's a little louder than usual. Not bad temps. I'm pretty happy with these. These are really good. Thank you for watching my random video.